Jerry Hart.
Smart Green Travel.
Worldwide.
Australia, welcome to Smart Green Travel. This is Gil Minerzini with the Australian Tourism Board. Cool. I noticed that sheep are a big part of the news.
Sheep.
Yes. Here's why.
Yeah.
We know the gases are responsible for greenhouse emissions that come from the agriculture, right?
Yep, that's right.
Apparently, scientists there have been trying to identify a genetic link that causes some sheep to belch less than others. And the scientists there are hoping to breed sheep that burp a lot less as part of efforts to tackle climate change. And I've noticed creativity in the green movement, so I don't doubt this. 90% of the methane that sheep and cattle and goats produce, it's all burped out. So, hey,
Right.
yeah.
That's interesting. I wonder if they can do the same thing for humans as well.
Hey, thanks for listening to Smart Green Travel. Did you notice there's a lot of fun going on here and a lot of purpose? You see, companies that advertise with Smart Green Travel are tapping into thousands, millions of green enthusiasts. If you want to project that sustainable living attitude to thousands and thousands of people, millions of people, come on over to heartofgreen.com and let me know how I can communicate with you. Is it Twitter? Is it Facebook? There's iTunes, right? Take us to work, put us in your car. Let's go.
Jerry Hart is talking about getting to the heart of what's really helping people go green.
Nothing lasts forever but the earth and sky.
Want more? Hey, click on over. Let's go hear more of what you just heard. Yeah, I know how this works. Don't tease if you can't please.
Smart Green Travel.
Jerry Hart.